Hey YouTube, gonna do another video here. Yeah, shoot, I can't turn my camera around while I'm already started videoing. I got me new AR 500 10-inch gong. Gonna try it out today with all you high point haters. Might as well move on because I'm gonna be shooting a high point. And yes, I may have some trouble with it because it really needs cleaned. I've never had any trouble with it at all until I was shooting it last night and had a couple misfeeds, jams, and it needs cleaned real bad. Got my high point JHP 45. I've got my Glock 19, and then I have a sporterized Arisaka 7.7 by 58. We'll put a few rounds through it. And then I've got my M1 Garand 30-06. And then of course I've got my Glock 27 chambered in 40 cal. The gong I get, yes, I got it off eBay. Whole lot cheaper. I think I paid about $32 for a 10-inch gong, 3/8 inch thick. I have shot it a few times. It does a whole lot better than I thought. It was rated up to 308. Here's what it looked like when it came in. I hit it with a little bit of orange there, but right in here is the way it came. Pretty raw, but not rusted. Went to throw the orange on it. Just orange don't stick, so I threw a coat of white Krylon, and then I let it dry a little bit. Probably not as long as I should have. But then I threw some orange on top of it. My setup, I just have a shepherd's hook, and I got that idea from Pex 2A America. Thank you, sir, very much for giving me that idea. That was a whole lot easier than what I had planned. I'd planned on making me a stand out of about 1.5 inch pipe with 2 legs coming down on each side and a cross member on top. Something I could break down but make portable. I'll tell you, that shepherd hook's really portable. I like it. So again, thank you, Mr. Pex 2A America, for that idea. Okay, I don't have my camera guy here today, so I'm going to see if I can set something up and see here. How can I set this up and still film? Let's see, I'm going to need my ears out of here. Like I say, I don't have my camera guy here today, so real quick, the Glock 19, I will be shooting Winchester white box 9mm and a few Remington 9mm. The Smith or the Glock 27 chambered 40 Smith & Wesson, will be shooting Winchester white box through those. My JHP 45, I will be shooting Remington through those. My Arisaka, I ordered these from Graff & Sons. Don't know how well that's showing, but I've ordered ammo from them a few times. Never had any problems. Really like their service or their shipping. Customer service is great. 7.7 by 58 Jap. This is a World War II Jap. Those that don't know, it's a World War II Japanese infantry rifle. Again, this one's been sporterized. I picked it up, a guy I work with, almost 5 years ago. I started with this company, and we just got talking, and he found out I like guns. I really like guns. He had this Arasaka that when he got it, it had not been sportserized. He sportserized it for so you can mount a scope and everything on it for deer hunting in Missouri or whatever, coyote hunting. So it really don't look like the Arasaka you'd think you'd see. And then my M1 Garand, I will be shooting caliber 30 match. Of course, it's backwards on the display. I don't know if it is going to be on there or not. But 173 grain, 2,640 feet a second. That is Army surplus. It is not recommended you shoot regular full power. That ain't gonna work either. I gotta find me a way to hold this phone. That may not be too bad. A little bit. That won't be too bad. I didn't measure it. I stepped it off. I think my average step is about 2.5 feet a step. About 2.5 feet of stride. Divide that out and came up with about 31 yards. I don't know if you can see it down there or not. I'll try to. I turn my phone around, I can't see the display. So that's where I'm going to be shooting. You can see my gong down there, I hope. When I review the video, I'll see how well it showed up. I'm not going to edit. Okay. Grab my ears, because every one of these, what should I start with? I don't. Electronic ears, but ain't going to do no good to turn them on. I got to get in the batteries for them. Oh, wow. They are going to work today. They didn't work yesterday. That's cool. Maybe they're just a little loose. I have a bad feeling I'm going to have some trouble with this high point. Of course, 31 yards is a very long distance to be shooting with a handgun. But I really don't want to move it, so. And yeah, already, there we go. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, I'm aiming right center, and at 31 yards for JHP 45, it's just barely shooting low. So let's shoot about 2 inches high. And we're empty on that mag. That was a small mag. There we hit her. There we hit her. And we've got a stovepipe. Nope, ain't gonna work there. Drop the magazine. Okay, we do have a live round in the chamber. Flip her up on safety before I lay her down. Take it off safety, it's a whole lot easier to shoot. Get back a little bit, see if we can get it. Yeah, that's a little better. And we're empty there. I should have brought some more. I got to bring some more 45. Actually, for as dirty as this thing is, it really didn't do too bad. Had a couple misfeeds. But I'll tell you, at 31 yards, if I aimed basically center of the gong, of a 10-inch gong, it was just barely skimming below it. So I don't care what you say, I like high point. Okay, we're gonna go over here. Got my Glock 19. Got to load the magazine up. And I got the other magazine. I guess I didn't bring the other magazine. I thought I did. Yep, there it is. It's in my pocket. Got a Glock 17 mag. It's a little bit bigger. I've shot this gong with 9mm out of my Glock 19. I've shot it with 40 Smith & Wesson out of my Glock 27. Didn't even come close to not even a pit mark dent on it. I shot it with my 45-70. It thumped it real hard. I thought I was going to tear it off the stand I had it on at the time. Okay. Sometimes it does that, sometimes it don't. I threw the magazine in it, chambered her in. Alright, let's see what I can do with the Glock 19. I'm not near as good at the Glock. Let's get a decent stance here since I'm not very good with it anyway. Oh no, let's try. Really can't see the gong down there. And front facing camera, can't really. Wow. I'll tell you, 31 yards with a Glock 19, I ain't worth crap. Try my other mag, load my other mag up here. Tell you, those JHP 45s, or those 45 ACPs out of the high point JHP 45 was thumping that gong at 31 yards. Man, these electronic ears, you get a mosquito around your ears, man, you can really hear them. I was going to bring some more 40s down. No, I'm out of 40s. What I've got loaded up is all I got. I think I got a magazine plus 6. Do have my new reloading equipment. Got a few more things I got to get for it. See if she does her this time. Nope. Yep, it did it that time too. Sometimes it does, but sometimes it don't. I'm gonna aim low. stumped her. Man, those rounds, I see them hitting the dirt. They're just barely. And we are empty. All right, let's move on to the Glock 27, chambered 40 cal. This first magazine is my short magazine. I really should have brought a belt today. We're live, or we're hot. Yeah, I got my finger in the trigger guard before I was aiming. Man, I cleaned this one. That's really got a hair trigger on her now. I did go in and have an aftermarket trigger put on here. Yeah, my 27 did it too. I rammed the magazine home and she chambered. Wow. Even with this little short Glock 27, short barrel, I am having to aim a little more than an inch, about an inch, maybe a little more than an inch low. And she's still got a little bit of rise on her at 31 yards. And we're empty. Okay. Don't need that no more. Okay. Grab the Arisaka. I've never shot this with the Arisaka, so I'm going to shoot one round. First time I hit it, I'm going to stop. Gonna be boring. I'll let you walk down with me. We'll take a look at her, see what she does. Another rifle that I've never sighted in. Man, that is a hot freaking round. I need to get something a little bit steadier here. That might help. Show it here. Sight down, sight up. Sight up, sight down. That may help. And it may not. Okay. I do have some more of these, so we'll come back to them. All right, M1 Garand. I only brought one clip. Yes, people, I said clip. Because the M1 Garand uses a clip, not a mag. Once again, another rifle I don't shoot enough, so I've never sighted it in. Take her off safety. Oh, she thumped that one. And there's the clip. I don't know if I caught it on camera or not. I hope so. Here's a clip I was talking about. It goes in the M1 Garand. I do have some more for it. Let's load up the Arisaka again, try it. I wasn't too worried about the M1. If it's rated 308, the M1 Garand 30-06 ammo is lower power than what you get for a regular 30-06. Okay, JHP 45. We get the focus here. Of course, it's not going to focus worth a poo-poo. I gotta give me a better camera. Pet, can you recommend a camera for me? They chamber just about like the M1 Garand, top feed, 5 rounds. The guy I got this from, I got sidetracked, I know I did. The guy I worked with, I got this Arisaka from. He didn't like the recoil of it. So he asked if I wanted to buy it. I'm like, oh yeah, if it's a firearm, I'm definitely interested. I don't care what it is. But it being an Arisaka, I'm really interested. I got the firearm, about 30 rounds of reloaded ammo, and reloading dies for $100. So, if anybody thinks I got burned on that deal, I would like to know why. Alright, let's see if I can hit this gong before I burn through my ammo. Man, I don't know if she's shooting way high. Let's shoot low. Oh yeah. Alright people. We're going to leave the bolt open. No round in the chamber. Let's run down there and see what this Arisaka did to this gong. That's rated up to 308. And I'm shooting with a 7.7 by 58 Jap. Yeah, I was aiming about 3, almost 4 inches low on that shot. Okay, here. Oh, wow. There's not even a dent. It's taken off the paint. I'm assuming that's where the Arisaka hit. Could have been the M1. But it took off some paint, but man. I'll tell you people, for 30 bucks, I cannot complain one bit. She's rated to 308, and so far it's holding up to M1 Garand 30-06 and a 7.7 by 58 Jap Arisaka at approximately 31 yards. And the pamphlet I got with it stated 100 yards minimum for the high-powered rifles to keep from any too much power and passing through it. Okay, we're going to aim low again. See if we can hit that sucker again. Oh yeah! Man, she is thumping that target. Maybe that's what I need to do with my M1. Maybe I need to aim real low. Whoa! I wish I'd have had that on camera. I definitely need to get a good camera. I've got that gong up on that shepherd's hook, with just tied with a piece of rope. That one thumped that hard enough. I hit the gong, I didn't hit the rope. It rang the gong real hard, but ripped it right off the freaking shepherd's hook. Oh, let's see what we got here. All right, I'm gonna lay you down a moment, see if I can get this set back up here. Let's see. Just see if I can get by tying a quick knot on that sucker. Hang her back up here. And I went around this. Hold her kind of straight. Get the mud off of her. Alright. Throw a few more rounds down range. Video is going to be a little longer than I usually make. Hope y'all can bear with me. Man, that era M1, I shot a few times when I first got it, and that Arasaka, I'm really impressed with it. I've only shot a few rounds through it. Okay, got one more round left in this. And I got in a hurry. Alright, let's see if we can get this clip loaded up. Get some stuff out of the way here. These M1 clips, I have found, is a whole lot easier if you stand them on the flat surface. And what do you know? I brought the wrong box. I brought the box of empties. So we're not going to shoot any more M1 today. Sorry about that, people. Back in frame. Before we reload the Arasaka back up, you know what? Let's load up the Glock again. Glock 19, I'm going to load the Glock 17 mag. Give me a couple extra rounds. We'll shoot this one magazine to the Glock 17. We'll load the Arasaka up again. Try it. I've actually not shot the Glock 19 since I got my Glock 27 and started using my Glock 27 as my concealed carry firearm. I'll tell you, I need to get back proficient with it again, because that is one of my concealed carry firearms, and right now, from what I see, I will not. full. How if I counted? Okay, did not chamber around that time. Picking up some ammo or some casings over here. Got that reloading equipment I was telling about earlier. I definitely need to start saving my brass. Not only is it a good idea to clean up the range, Peck needs to jump my butt for yesterday. He was down here to do a video. I came down to yak at him real quick. I did some shooting, and then I got out of here so he could do his videos, and was going to come down afterwards and clean my brass up, and never got around to it. One of these days I'll remember to grab my tarp. Be a whole lot easier to pick up. People say, hey, get back to shooting, but maybe me keeping it in there about me picking up my casings will help others keep the same idea. You get done at the range, clean it up. Man, me and Peck both have been down here, and people have left a mess. Not happy. And we're not talking casings. We're talking trash. See what I can do with the gong now. So I'm going to shoot low. Wasn't hitting it, so I thought, might as well clear out anyway. All right, we'll load the air sock up. We'll do one more with the air socket, and we will call it a day. Got the air socket, not the M1. The Arasaka. Very unique. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but man, it is thumping that target. I tried her again. I aimed center of the gong and did not hit it. Aim low. Wow. I aim low and she's still hitting above center. As far as a little bit to the left, but not bad. Not bad at all. One more. Wow. All right, let's go down and take a look at it. Let's go ahead and put this in here. We'll go ahead and put a little bit of this up while I'm standing here. Okay, I can throw brass in here. There are some live rounds in there. I'll separate them later. I don't know if anybody noticed my shirt. Max's Coins and Firearms, Shelbyville, Illinois. Anybody around Shelbyville, Illinois, and you're looking for, even if you want to go in and browse, my opinion, there is nobody in this area except for maybe if you go Terre Haute. But Central Illinois area, I've not found anybody that's got the selection that he's got. If you want something specific, he don't have it, he will look it up. He will let you know what it costs. He will let you know what the total cost is going to be before he orders it. And if you want it ordered, he will order it for you. Alright, High Point haters. JHP 45 was thumping that gong at 31 yards. Double check, make sure that was an empty box. Turn off my ears, take my ears off. I'll grab some more brass here. I got some M1 brass laying. Yeah, no. I'm not in frame, but that's probably a good idea. Y'all probably don't want to look at my ugly mug all day. Yeah, I know. Hurry up and get down to the gong. Let's see what she looks like. Okay. Wow. Man, I have put some rounds downrange today, haven't I? Of course, I imagine a lot of these are from the other day. I do need to get me some 50 AE ammo. I'm really curious what that 50 AE will do to that gong. That's not mine, that's a 5.56. 5.56 or 223. I didn't take a real close look at it. Man, I have freaking thrown some ammo downrange past couple days. I probably burnt, I know I burnt over $100 today just in ammo. But you know what? It is a blast, and I'll tell you, I'll do it again. I got to get to Max's and see if he's got some more of that M1 ball for the Grand. Alright, let's go take a look at that gong and we'll shut the video off. I won't bore you all anymore with the trip back up to the vehicle, which normally I'll walk down to the range. I'm not more than a couple hundred yards from where my house to the range. But I was bringing down more firearms today. I had a little bit more to carry, so I'll put it in the back of the Bravada. I tell you, that gong has no dents whatsoever. And to be hitting it with an Arasaka, an M1 Garand, at only 31 yards, I will be buying some more of these. Thank you for watching. Comments, I'd love to hear them. Any suggestions? Definitely put those. Till next time, we out.